Kia ora, here I am back again with the phrase for the week. This one's one that for particular situations, but I'm sure you'll find a way to use it. So this is about questioning or asking. Pātai. Pātai, ki, to, so ask to someone or something. And then ia. And when we see ia, that means him or her, because it isn't distinguished in Te Reo Māori which sex it is. It's just ia, him or her. And then goes together with this, and it sounds like aia. Pātai ki aia, and that means ask him or her. Pātai ki aia. So in a situation with children, sometimes they'll come and be trying to get you to intervene in some situation, and then you'll just say ask him, ask her. And so that's a good way that you could do that. You could say pātai ki aia, pātai ki aia. And if you wanted to change this to someone's name, let's say it's Rangi, pātai ki a Rangi, pātai ki a Daniel. And so that's just whatever the name is, but you can just say him or her, pātai ki aia. And I think that's a really good one to add. Give it a go. Ka kite.